Rika?
Hello, Hannah. Hi.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Are we now complete?
Hello,
Min.
teacher.
Hello, Fong. Where is Sam? Maybe
Hello,
Sam.
teacher.
Oh, Sunny. Hi, Sunny. Welcome back.
Yes, hi, teacher.
Nice to see you again, Sunny. Maybe Sam is
Yes,
eating dinner. What do you think,
yes.
class? Hmm. Where is? Okay, we are now here. Okay, now let's start with Hannah. Hi, Hannah. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today, Hannah?
I'm good.
Oh, good. Oh, what did you do today?
Got school today.
Oh, you went to school. What did you do at school? What did you do at school? Did you play, learn, play, learn, study?
Uh,
Okay, I study at school today. Did you had your dinner already?
yeah,
What did you eat, Hannah?
I eat
Rice, noodles. What did you eat?
It's Thai. It's kind of noodle Vietnam.
Wow, Vietnam noodles. That's delicious. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy soup.
Do you like spicy food, Hannah? Can you hear me clearly, class?
Yes,
Yes,
I,
How
I
about
love
Hannah?
I
Okay.
love spicy
yeah,
food.
Do
I
you
yes,
love
like
spicy.
spicy food, Hannah?
yes, yes.
I love sausage, spicy sausage.
Very good. Okay, Hannah, thank you. Now let's start with Fong. Hi, Fong.
Hi, teacher.
How are you today, Fong?
I'm fine, giving you.
Okay, I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
Teacher,
Uh,
how are you today?
oh, I'm doing great. Just finished my dinner. Mm.
You could try it.
Mm. Pawis ka na.
Ah, ah.
Love you. Okay,
Teacher,
Fong. I'm
what
doing great. Just finished my dinner.
what are you doing in your day?
Oh, I just teach lessons today. I have how many classes? I have 7, 8, 9 classes today. Yeah, oh, oh, oh. Yes.
Teacher,
It's
where
Oh,
Imun?
oh,
Where
oh.
Imun?
oh.
Okay, Fong,
Teacher,
did
where
you eat?
Imun?
Oh, maybe Moon have dinner. Sometimes he's late and he's having a
Moon.
dinner with his mommy. Okay, Fong, what did you eat tonight?
I eat like a chicken.
Rice and chicken. Rice. Okay, repeat after me. Fong,
Right.
rice. Yes, because you forgot the S or the C and E. Rice.
Oh, teacher,
Yes.
today I go to supermarket.
Oh, with whom?
With my family.
Wow, what did you
I
do?
I buy my I buy toy.
Oh, what kind of toys?
I buy the garden.
Oh, wow, a dragon?
Yes.
Wow, that's fun. Okay, that's you don't have school today, Pong?
Mm, yeah. In the morning.
Oh, morning. Morning is your class. Okay, very good, Pong. Now, well done. How about Sunny? Hi, Sunny.
Teacher,
Good evening.
good evening, teacher.
How are you today?
I am good today.
That's good. Okay, did you had your dinner already?
Yes,
What did you eat?
today I eat meat, fish, and some vegetables.
Wow, that's complete. Meat, fish, and vegetables. Do you also eat rice or noodles?
I just eat rice.
Oh, eat rice. What did you drink?
I drink water.
Oh, a lot of water to keep us hydrated. Shh, quiet, please. Go inside the room. Go inside the room. Go now, sleep, sleep. Okay, now let's start. Oh, there is some. Oh, where is some? Can you see some?
No.
Oh, I thought there's some. Okay, let's start class. Are you ready?
Yes,
Thank you, Sunny, for sharing. Let's start. What is our lesson for tonight?
evening 20.
Unit
20.
12, party things. Unit 12, party things.
Yes.
What are these? Now I will
This
ask question for, let's start for Sunny,
me.
number 1. Okay, this is
This
a
what?
box. How about
Yeah,
this?
bottle. Bottle.
Are you sure?
This.
Okay, I will read first the instructions, class.
This bottle of water.
What are these? What kind of food do we put inside them? Write the
I put.
words.
Yes.
A bottle. Yes. What do we put in a bottle, Sunny?
Milk. Milk. Milk.
Oh,
Milk.
milk. Anything else?
Milk. Water. Or we put coca.
Okay, Coca or soda?
I love soda.
Instead of Coca, we say soda.
Soda.
Yes, correct. Very good,
And
Sunny. And also juice. We can also
juice.
put juice.
I
Milk.
love orange juice.
Yes, in a bottle. Water. Yes, water. Anything else? How about Hannah
Orange
and
juice.
Pong?
Yes.
Coffee. Coffee.
Coffee. Coffee. Coffee.
Anything
Coffee. Coffee.
else?
Yes.
Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. Okay, very good. Let's have Hannah. What is this?
It's bowl.
Bowl. Now repeat after me, Hannah. Bowl.
Bowl.
Bowl. Pong.
Bowl.
Bowl. Repeat
Bowl.
after me, Sunny.
Bottle.
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 Bottle. Hannah, bottle.
Bottle.
Pong, bottle. Oh, there is some.
Bottle.
Sam, good evening. Oh, there's Daddy's. Hello, Daddy. Good evening. Hello, Sam. Wow, you look so formal tonight. I like your what do we call that? Your sweater. Yes. Oh, A giraffe. Love you.
Oh,
Love you. Love
Yeah.
you. Okay, now repeat after me. Box.
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 Hannah,
Box.
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 Fong, box.
Box.
Some, box.
Box.
Very good. Okay, next, Sunny, bottle.
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 Hannah, bottle.
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 Fong, bottle.
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 Okay, some, bottle.
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 Very good. Okay, now let's have next number 3, Hannah. It's a bowl.
Boat.
Bowl.
Bowl.
Okay, Fong, bowl. Bowl. Some bowl.
Bowl.
Bowl. And next, Sunny, bowl. Hannah, what
Bowl.
we can put into a bowl?
Me. Rice.
And noodles.
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate.
Rice.
Bây giờ vậy trời.
A bowl
Let's
of
put-
rice.
Yes, I love rice.
Yes, rice. Anything else, Hannah?
Yeah.
A bowl of, what is this?
A bowl
Soup.
of chocolate. A soup. Soup.
A
I
bowl
love chicken
of
soup.
porridge.
Oh, yes. I love soup. I love chicken soup.
Yes. Okay, next, a bowl of dim sum. Dim sum. That is bowl. Very good, Hannah. Let's have Fong. What is this, Fong? Fong. What is this? Okay, cup. Correct. Repeat after me. Cup.
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 Some
Cup.
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 Sunny.
Cup.
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 Cup. Hannah. Cup. Cup. Very good. What is the use of cup, Fong?
And water.
Okay, water. Anything else we put in a
Coffee.
cup? Coffee. Anything else?
Tea.
Tea. And milk.
Orange juice.
Okay, juice.
Uh,
Yes. That is cup. Okay, Sam. How about this? What is this?
This is a cup or
What do you think?
Plastic cup. Plastic cup.
Okay, what do you think? A glass of,
Cup.
what do we call this?
Glass. Glass.
Okay, we call it a glass. Now repeat
Glass.
after me. Some glass. Glass. Sunny, glass. Glass. Hannah, glass. Glass. Fong, glass. Glass. Very good. What is glass? What we can put into a glass, Sam?
Drinking water.
Water,
Juice.
orange, milk,
Coffee and tea.
coffee, and tea. Yes, very good. Well done, class. We are done with section A. Now, okay, please wait, please wait. Shh, Liam, go inside the room.
Section B. Con có tên là Taro. Cheetah, you are milk.
Okay, I'm now okay. Thank you, class. Now let's proceed. Now I will read. The box is square. The bowl is round.
Yes.
Find 4 more things that are square and 4 things that are round.
I know. Mouse. Chocolate.
The box is square. The bowl
This.
is round. Okay, we have 4. We need 4
A crop.
square.
A crop. Crop.
4 square. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 round. Now,
Flop. Flop. Flop.
please give me example of 4 square.
Me.
Okay, yes, Sunny?
Sis. The mirror. All the computer, the iPad, or the phone.
Okay, computer. Mirror, correct. How about round? What is the example of round?
The club.
Okay, let's
Oh,
give
club.
chance to Fong. What is that, Sam? Capybara?
No. A bomb.
What is round? A plate. Plate.
And
How about Hannah? Round shape, Hannah. Round shape.
a bomb.
What is that, Sam? I don't understand.
Block. Cái con bụng á.
Oh, English, please.
Ball.
A
Ball.
ball. Okay, understand. A ball. Anything else that is square?
Square.
Square, Hannah. Paul?
Uh,
Square.
Square. Oh, chess.
Okay, chess. Okay. Very good,
Chess.
class. Thank you for your answering. Now let's
Chess.
move on to the next. Now, please look at the picture. Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Listen and color and write. Now, this is a challenge, class. You need to sharpen your listening skills. You need to listen carefully. Let's start for okay, I have a cough, sorry. Let's have Fong, number 1.
Number 1.
Okay, wait, let's listen to the audio. Number 2 is Hannah. Number 3 is Sam. And number 4 is Sunny. Next, and number 5 is me. Now, class, I will play the audio. Please sharpen your listening skills.
This.
Okay. And please mute your audio so you don't listen or you don't have listening some noises. Okay?
This.
Are you ready, Hannah? Paul?
Yes.
And Sam, Sunny?
This.
Please, I will mute my audio so you can listen carefully. The audio
Yes.
starts now.
12B. Party things. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Would you like to colour this picture of a supermarket?
Yes. Can I colour the woman's roller skates?
OK. What colour?
I'd like to colour them pink, please.
OK. That's fine.
Can you see the woman's pink roller skates? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and write. 1.
Can you see the bottles on the table?
There are 2 bottles. Which one shall I colour?
The round one. Make it green.
All right. I can do that now.
2.
The boy's drinking something, I think.
Yes. It's fruit juice. Shall I colour it orange?
No. Colour it yellow, please.
OK. There.
That's great. Thank you.
3.
The bigger box is closed. Look.
Oh, yes. Let's write something on that.
All right. I like writing. Can I write apples on that? They're my favourite fruit.
Yes. That's a very good idea.
Huh?
4.
Can I colour someone's hair now?
All right.
That woman's. The one who's carrying the drinks.
Not hers. Colour that woman's. It's longer and curlier.
Em ăn xong một khải.
Okay. Shall I colour it brown?
Yes, please.
5.
Now, have you got a blue pencil?
Yes, I have. I love that colour.
Me too. Colour the little bowl with that one.
Brilliant. I enjoyed doing that.
Good. Well done. Good. Yes, please.
4.
Can I colour someone's hair now?
All right.
That woman's. The one who's carrying the drinks.
Not hers. Colour that woman's. It's longer and curlier.
OK. Shall I colour it brown?
Yes, please.
5.
Now, have you got a blue pencil?
Yes, I have. I love that colour.
Me too. Colour the little bowl with that one.
Brilliant. I enjoyed doing that.
Okay, class.
Good.
Now let's
Well
start
done.
coloring. Are you ready?
Sis. I finished.
Okay,
Can I-
Hannah, now Fong, what is your tasks? What are your tasks? Let's start with Fong. Fong, number 1. Fong, number 1. Hello, Fong. What is your task, Fong? Hello,
Con làm xong rồi
Fong.
chứ đâu.
Fong,
Rồi.
hello.
Đâu. Ai thi được xì là xong.
What is your task, Fong? Did you listen, Fong?
Chị Phong. I don't can listen.
Okay,
cannot-
Fong, I told you you need to listen carefully. Okay, I have
Yes.
noticed you're playing games on your computer. Please, you can play after the lesson, okay? All I want is you to learn. Please, show respect to teachers, please. Okay, let's have Hannah. Hannah, what is your task, Hannah? What is your task?
is
Color the boys.
a drinking
Mm-hmm.
drinking a cup.
Yes.
Is orange.
Okay, orange. Very good. Let's have some. Some. What is your task, some? I
I'm
remember.
writing an apple.
Okay, where's the apple, some?
Wait, I'm
Okay,
going
okay.
to draw it
Okay, let's
on the
okay, we will wait. Let's have
very
first
hard
Sunny.
to draw
Sunny,
a
what is your
apple.
task, Sunny?
Follow the woman hand.
Okay, is that a head or a hand? Color
Hand.
brown. Head.
Hand.
Oh,
Yeah, it's an
color the
apple.
head. Okay, very good, Sam and Sunny. My task is color the smallest bowl blue. Okay, very good, class. Now let's have question, Fong. How many round shapes can you see?
I can see 30 round shape.
Okay, round. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
30.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I think 21. Okay, next, let's have Hannah. How many square shapes can you see? How many square shapes? 1,
2,
2, 3,
3, 4,
how many?
is 4.
4 squares. Okay, very good, class. Well done. Now let's have complete the sentences about the picture B. Let's have Paul, Sam, Sunny, Hannah, and me. Now, Fong, number 1, please read aloud. 3. Okay, this is, you can choose answer. Fong, number 1. Hello? Hello, Fong. Can you hear me, Fong?
Yes.
Okay, number 1. What is number 1?
Number 1, table.
Okay, please read aloud. Please read the whole sentence.
The row.
Please read the sentence. Hello? Number 1, Fong. 3 people.
There are people, 3 people are standing near a table in a supermarket.
Very good. Okay, next, some. Most.
Most of the bottles and Stephen
Mm-hmm.
and
Bottles.
just
Okay, choose your answer from here, some. Here, choose your answer from here.
bottle.
Bottles and let's check. Boxes are
are on the Steven. The biggest box is on the
Shelves. Shelves.
squares.
Shelves. Shelves.
Shelves.
Okay.
Shelves.
Ba't maitim yung tubig? Sa paint yan, watercolor. Okay, let's have number 3. Sunny. Sunny, your turn. Very good, Sam.
The big box is on the big box is the big box is on the big box is on the
Okay, where is it?
it on the first. It on the row. The row.
Okay, round, floor, bowl, square. The answer is floor. The big box is on the floor and is closed.
Yes.
Okay, next, Hannah, number 4.
The square butter into the big bowl.
Very good. And 4 glasses are between the round bottle and the smaller bowl. That is the answer, class. Good job. Now, let's move on. Please answer this. Dad's birthday party. We are done with Fong. Let's have Hannah. Okay, let's have Hannah. Hannah, Sam, Sunny, me, and Fong. Now, please answer this. I must. Okay, we need to listen. Okay. Where do we get the answer? Okay. Please wait. What does Sam have to do? Listen to the teacher and write the word. Okay, I will read the story, class. This is Sam. It's his father's birthday. It is father's birthday today. And there's a party for him this afternoon. Sam has to help his mom with things for the party. Look the words and write lines. Which words could you write on the lines? Do you want to, I will read again, class? Or just okay? Do you want, I will read again the story?
Yes.
Okay, I will read
Yes.
again. Please listen carefully, Fong, Sam, Sunny, Hannah. This is Sam. It's his father's birthday today, and there's a party for him. This afternoon, Sam has to help his mom with things for the party. Okay, now number 1, Hannah. I must. Number 1, Hannah.
I don't know.
Okay, I must phone uncle. Now, please read aloud the sentence. Hannah, where are you, Hannah? Hello? Oh, Hannah left. Oh my. Okay, let's have some.
This. Yes.
Buy.
I'm not told only.
This
I
afternoon, buy.
buy 2 bottles of lemonade.
Yes, correct. Next, Sunny.
Buy 2 bottles of lemonade.
Okay, what is it, Sunny?
It's a bowl.
Bowls. Okay, next. Choose some great music.
This.
Next, Pong, the last. Find.
Fill my laptop.
Okay, find my laptop.
At my laptop.
Okay, very good.